Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Today we'll show you how to remove and replace master window switch on Volkswagen Touareg right here guys, 2004 to 2010 generation. If the window switch doesn't work, you need to replace it on the driver's side door or passenger side door right there guys. We'll show you how to do that, so stay with us. We'll demonstrate on the driver's side, but passenger will be very close with some minor differences and we'll try to explain some of them. So thank you guys for watching and please subscribe. Okay guys, so now we need to remove that cap right there. Okay, and we have two screws bolts with T30, Torx 30, that we'll need to remove. Okay, as you can see, they're loose already. If you're working on the passenger side, okay, there will be some differences there. You won't have those screws underneath that plastic, but you have them under the door handle. Okay, the same thing. You can see two of them. So that's the difference right there that we can think of now. So now we need Torx 20, and underneath the door panel there is two more. Okay, you see that we need to remove. Okay, one is out. Now the second. We have mosquitoes the size of birds here right now. It's not at the shop. Okay, we pull those bolts that we already got loose. So now you need to grab it or use a prying tool, okay, and get all the clips loose, and then you lift straight up, I believe, towards the end. Okay, like that. So we can get it loose. Next, we have all the wires holding there. Okay, we have the cable, lock cable there that we need to remove. Okay, so you see what we're doing in order to remove that thing now. Okay, we'll need to spread it there on both sides. Okay, and it comes out towards the back and you need to pull the cable out. Next we have that cable, okay, right here, that we'll need to disconnect as well. We have the one that goes towards the door computer. Okay, and we'll show you how you do this one, the main cable here. Okay, this one guys, you need to, okay, when you lock it like that, there is a place that it gets stuck. Okay, right here, you need to press this thing down. Okay, the silver thing down. One of us will need to press it. Okay, so okay, let me show you. So we can slide this thing over, okay, like that. Next we need to disconnect that wire. Okay, press in on both sides and pull it out. So all the clips for the door panel, as you can see, are okay right here. 1, 2, 3, one is missing, 2 screws on the bottom and 3 on this side. Alright guys, so that's for the driver's side. The passenger side window switch, you don't even need to remove the panel. We'll have it on our channel, the video how to do that. We just realized that. Okay, so we need to remove that insulation here now, and we'll need to disconnect the wires. Okay, so okay, let's get this thing going now. You need to press down on the orange thing all the way down. It's spring loaded, and pull the wires out. Then you need to spread here for the buttons to come out, and you have 2 more on the other side, which is not very convenient, to be honest with you. Okay, on this side, the other way is to pull that thing out. You can do that as well, but it's really complicated. You have a few more clips and towards the back, so we'll just try to remove the buttons from underneath now. Okay, we got the 2 clips on the back out, like this one here, there towards the back. Okay, let me show you. Okay, one here, one there. Okay, and so this is all guys. You can see this is the master window switch for Volkswagen Touareg. So that's how you guys remove it. When you're ready to install it, all you have to do, just push it in until it clicks, install the wire and install the door panel. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys next time.